Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to downgrade your Amazon seller account from professional to individual to save monthly deduction fees. For example, for a beginner, you have to choose the individual account. After then you can switch off. Uh, Number one, you have to log in your Amazon seller account, and after that I have a brand new fresh account, you can see, and I'm going to click on setting your account info, and this type of window will be shown up here. Okay, you can see your account information page is open, and in the right side you have to click sale or Amazon filled by FBA and B2B. You have to click on FBA, and this type of window will be open. So here you can see currently I am using the professional plan. I'm going to switch from professional to individual. Click on this, and here you can see professional to individual. After that I'm going to apply changes. Yes, downgrade. So you can read this confirmation message. Here, successfully submitted. Change may take up to 15 minutes. So this is the way you can downgrade your uh, FBA to individual. So I hope you like this video. Do please hit the like button. Thank you.